In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change spoken language in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it, so ChatGPT speaks and listens in the language you prefer. This is especially helpful if you're practicing another language, want clearer voice recognition, or simply feel more comfortable hearing responses in a specific language. First, look to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might look like your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage how ChatGPT behaves and sounds. Inside Settings, find and select the General section. Think of General as the hub for everyday preferences, things you're likely to adjust once and then forget about. In this area, look for the option labeled Spoken Language. This is the control that determines the language ChatGPT uses for voice features, such as speaking back to you and better understanding your voice input. Click the drop-down next to Spoken Language to open the full list of available languages. Take a moment to scan the list and choose the language you want ChatGPT to use for spoken communication. When you select a language, the change typically applies right away. There's no need to save or restart anything. The setting sticks to your account, so it will remain active the next time you use voice features. A quick note on what this setting does and doesn't do. Spoken language focuses on voice interactions. It helps with how ChatGPT pronounces words and understands your speech, which can improve clarity and reduce misinterpretations. It does not change your on-screen interface language or the language of typed responses unless you ask for that in your messages. If you primarily use voice mode, picking the language you're most comfortable speaking and hearing can make conversations feel more natural. If you don't immediately see spoken language under General, the layout may look slightly different depending on updates, but it will still be in Settings. Once you've made your selection, you're done. You can close the Settings panel and continue using ChatGPT as usual, now with spoken interactions tailored to the language you chose. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother voice experience in the language that suits you best.